Someone betrayed you. They apologized. Maybe you even forgave them. But here's the question nobody talks about. Does forgiveness mean you have to trust them again? No. Learning how to forgive someone who hurt you doesn't mean pretending the betrayal never happened. And it definitely doesn't mean giving someone unlimited access to your life. Forgiveness and trust are two different things. You can forgive someone because you're ready to let go of the anger and start moving on. But broken trust? That may take time to rebuild. Think about it. If a friend shared something you told them in confidence, you could decide, I'm not going to stay angry forever. That's forgiveness. But telling them another secret tomorrow? Yeah, that's different. That's trust. And trust should be supported by what somebody consistently does, not just what they promise. That's why setting healthy boundaries after betrayal can be so important. Sometimes protecting your peace means changing the relationship. Maybe you stop sharing certain things. Maybe you create some distance. And sometimes you may decide that relationship no longer belongs in your life. But here's something else to remember. People can change. One mistake doesn't necessarily tell you everything about a person. But when the same behavior becomes a pattern, don't keep ignoring what you're seeing. Watch their actions, watch their consistency, and let those things determine how much trust you're willing to rebuild. Forgiveness can help you move forward without carrying resentment everywhere you go. So forgive when you're ready. Learn from what happened. Set your boundaries. Protect your peace. And most importantly, keep moving forward.